Welcome in online teaching. Good morning students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So today we are going to start our next chapter, exponents. So what are exponents? Exponents are mathematical notations that indicates the number of time a number has to be multiplied by itself. Like as you are seeing, the product of 3 into 3 can be written as 3 to the power 2, or you may say this 3 square. Similarly, the product of 4 into 4 into 4 can be written as 4 to the power 3, or you may say 4 cube. Hence in general, if you multiply a into a up to n times, then it can be written as a to the power n. Then is in a to the power n, this a is called base and this n is power or exponent, or you may say index. Like as you are seeing in the first one, in 3 to the power 2, base is 3 and power, or you may say exponent or index, is 2. And the second one, 4 to the power 3, the power is 3 and base is 4. Now we will learn few rules of exponents. Like first one, if there is a negative number is having odd power, then its answer will be negative. Like as you are saying here in example, it is minus 2 to the power 3. So as you are seeing here, the power 3 is an odd number. That means its answer will be negative. Then what we will do, we will write this minus sign and we will multiply this 2 up to 3 times within a bracket. Then we will got, after multiplying, minus 8. Now next is, if a negative number is having a power, is having even power, then its answer will be positive. Like as you are seeing the example, it is minus 3 to the power 4. So as its power 4 is an even number, that means its answer will be positive. That means here there is no need to write minus sign. So we will write this 3 up to 4 times as the power is 4. Like 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. When you will multiply this, you will got 3 3 9 and 3 3 9, 9 9 81. Now next is, like there is a rational number a upon b and it is having a whole power n. Then what happens, then this power n will be of both the number of the rational number, like of numerator and of denominator. Then when you will simplify this, then it can be written as a to the power n and b to the power n. Now as the example, like here it is 3 upon 5 to the whole power 3, which can be written as 3 to the power 3 and upon 5 to the power 3. Now we will expand this 3 into 3 into 3 in the numerator and the denominator, 5 into 5 into 5. When you will multiply this, you will got 27 upon 125. Now next is, as you are seeing here, if a rational number a upon b is having whole power minus n, that is having negative power, then how we can solve this? So what we do here, we will write the reciprocal of a upon b. So the reciprocal of a upon b will be b upon a. Then what happens, this negative power will become positive. Now we can solve this easily. Like as you are seeing the example, it is 3 upon 2 to the whole power minus 3. So what we will do, first we will find the reciprocal of 3 upon 2, which will be 2 upon 3, and the power will become positive. That means it will be 2 upon 3 to the whole power 3, which can be written as 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. After expanding, you will got 2 into 2 into 2 in the numerator, and the denominator you will got 3 into 3 into 3. When you will multiply this, you will got 8 upon 27. Now as next example is it is 5 to the power minus 3. Now as you are seeing here, there is no value in the denominator. As we know, if a number is not having, we can place 1 in the denominator of any number. Now when we will reciprocal this 5, it will be 1 upon 5. As the power is 3, then it will be 1 upon 5 to the power 3. When you will expand this, it will be 1 upon 5 into 5 into 5. When you will multiply, you will got the answer 1 upon 25. Now Now we will learn laws of exponents. So the first law is in multiplication. If we have same base, if there are two numbers, there are the numbers in multiplication, if the numbers are having same base, then their power adds. Like as you are seeing the first number a upon b to the power m and a upon b to the power n, they both, the base is same, a upon b. Now their power will be add. You will got a upon b to the power m plus n. This can be better understood by the example. Like here is one example. As you are seeing, it is 2 upon 3 to the power 3 into 2 upon 3 to the power 2. As you are seeing the both the number, like they both are having same base, that means their power will be add. So it will be 2 upon 3 to the whole power 3 plus 2, and when you will add this, you will got 2 upon 3 to the whole power 5, and it can be written as 2 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5. Then what we will do, we will expand this and then we will multiply. We will got 32 upon 243. Now based on this same rule, here is one more question. Like here in this, as you are seeing here, it is 4 upon 7 to the power 5 into 4 upon 7 to the power minus 3. Now as here you are seeing, the both the number are having same base, but the power is of different sign. Like 5 is positive but 3 is negative. Then how we will solve this? Look, we will stick on our rule. Like if we are having same base, then the power will be add. Now how we will add? Like 4 upon, we will write 4 upon 7 to the whole power 5 plus within a bracket minus 7, and when you will simplify this bracket, you will got 4 upon 7 to the whole power 5 minus 3, and when you will subtract this, you will got 4 upon 7 to the whole power 2. Then we will expand this and then we will multiply to get the answer. Like it will be 4 4 is 16 and 7 7 is 49. So student, this is all for today. We will learn few more laws of exponent tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.